Namaste, myself Triveni Khurana, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Today we are going to discuss about Russian currents and Redox currents. First, let's discuss about Redox currents. Redox electrotherapeutic method is based on non-invasive transcutaneous application of specific electric currents to a living tissue. Main indicators or main indication for using the Redox include the treatment of acute and chronic pain, immobility, musculoskeletal and neurological disorders, and edema. Redox was invented by Peter Slovak, lecturer at SAIS Technical University in SAIS Republic. The name Redox is derived from the rehabilitation box. It has specific impulses of frequency which is 24 kHz and with pulse width 100 to 300 seconds of weak electric currents, that is in between 100 to 200 amperes. These are introduced transcutaneously to the affected region. There are some physiological effects. Within several seconds, local acidosis in the treated tissue will be corrected. Lymphatic fluid and blood circulation will be increased and effective myorelaxation will take place at the same time. It restores the microcirculation in living tissue, reduces inflammation, improves blood and lymph circulation, decreases pain and provides tissue relaxation. This speeds up recovery time. It has forms of pulses that have unipolar rectangular amplitude of 0 to 20 volt. Its pulse frequency is 2 to 4 kHz and pulse width, as said above, 100 to 300 microseconds. Now the treatment modes. It is recommended for new patients, especially for first 2 sessions. The most frequent mode when patient is used to treatment is strong, and patients who do not respond to normal stimulation amplitude, small non-invasive treatment electrode, that is cathode, and a second reference electrode, that is anode, handheld to complete electric circuit is used. There are 2 types of electrodes. First is classic hard tip and golden flexi tip. The treatment electrode active surface is 1 5 mm square is applied for 23 seconds in one spot. Then proceeding approximately 1.5 centimeter to another point. About 20 points are treated per session. Frequency of treatment session is individual for each patient. Now what is the procedure for Redox current therapy? The small pencil probe is placed over the treated area, lightly touching the skin. The other probe is held by the hand of the person receiving treatment. The therapist monitors the treatment reading this meter. Treatment should be repeated for stable results. Redox therapy is more effective in acute cases than in chronic. One application of Redox probe produces healing effect within a radius of about an inch. The treatment method of Redox is based on transcutaneous correction of local acidosis. This therapy method is being clinically used since 1985. Acute injuries and chronic diseases are accompanied by local acidosis in living tissue. The changes in tissue microenvironment often result in pain, edema and myocontraction. So battery powered pulse generator provides pulsating DC current with rectangular waveform. Microampere meter is measuring the average value of the current. All positive ions, especially calcium, potassium and sodium, are attracted from the extracellular fluid to the cathode, leads to local changes in tissue microenvironment, resulting in positive treatment effects. After a short time, myorelaxation in the tissue occurs, especially thanks to calcium ions. Due to electrolysis effect, water molecule in the extracellular fluid dissociate to hydrogen positive ion and OH, hydroxide negative ions, according to the chemical equation. Since hydrogen ion leave the tissue and enter the surrounding air, the hydroxide ion together with potassium and sodium ions create hydroxides NaOH and KOH. Local alkalization occurs. This results in dramatic pain decrease because the effective radius, which was experimentally found, is about 1.5 centimeter, that is half an inch. We can imagine the treated area for one needle probe application point as a hemisphere with a 1.5 centimeter radius. After 2 to 3 seconds of needle probe application, balance occurs and the current remains constant. But only if we treat normal tissue with pathologies. At this moment, application can be finished at this point and the therapist can move 1 to 2 centimeter further. The average current versus time characteristics for normal tissue can be seen. The cross shows the optimal time for finishing the treatment. If there is any pathology in the tissue, we will obtain another characteristics. The treatment method has 3 basic effects. Analgesic, in this pain decreases due to local alkalization. Second is myorelaxation due to calcium ion. Improved blood and lymphatic fluid circulation due to increased ion migration. These effects appear during a few minutes following the application. The treatment can be then repeated the next day if needed. The number of treatment sessions and the length of one session depends on the type of disease. Total time for the treatment. A typical session length is between 5 to 10 minutes and a sufficient number of sessions of 4 to 5 during a week for acute injuries. And what is the indication of Reeboks current or Reeboks currents used by therapists, rehabilitation providers, general practitioners, neurologists and sports medicine providers. The devices are used by patients themselves in home care treatment. The most frequent applications include back pain, epicondylitis, sprained ankle, torticollis, knee ligament damage and others. What are the local contraindications for the use of Reeboks current? These are disruption in continuity of the skin, that is open wound, skin ulcer, acute inflammation of skin or subcutaneous tissue, thrombosis, and the general contraindications for Reeboks current are cardiostimulator, pregnancy, epilepsy, tumor, shock. And special care should be taken if the Reeboks is used in the neck area of carotid sinus to avoid stimulation of vagus nerve. The Reeboks is not recommended for the use in the vicinity of high frequency power supply. The change of Reeboks current in time has diagnostic value. Therapist receives information from the patient's tissue during treatment, giving him the great advantage of continuous monitoring and control of the dosage applied. Every type of tissue pathology shows its own specific course of changes in the electric current during treatment. The type of needle movement acts as a diagnostic aid as well as a treatment monitor. Now, the usage of Reeboks in the case of torticollis. How? Use 2 parallel rows of points on either side of the spine with points spaced 2 cm apart. Treat distally from C1. Then treat in a spiral around focus the spasm, which may be determined by palpation. Some cautions should be taken during treatment are in the first and second session, preferably use gentle mode, especially in sensitive patients. Keep strictly to the dorsal paravertebral muscles. And the recommended timetable is first inverse week 3 times, then according to the patient need. If possible, immediately after the symptoms appear. Recommended supplementary therapy is we recommend gentle manual massage immediately after Reeboks therapy then gentle exercises. Now the treatment of mandibular muscular spasm with the help of Reeboks currents. In this, treat in a spiral line around mandibulomaxillar joint, beginning approximately 3 cm from the joint, with the distance approx 15 mm between each point, and ending in the center of the joint with a distance 4 to 5 mm between points. Portions should be taken for this treatment, which is maximum of 30 points treated in the spiral are enough. At the first session, treat the 3 branches of the trigeminal. Use gentle mode if necessary. And the recommended time is for the first 3 days, treat twice a day, then once a day for 4 days, and in the second week 4 to 5 sittings, and in third week twice, then check after 2 weeks. Now the treatment of sprained ankle with the help of Reeboks current is treat distally in 4 parallel rows of points with distance of points spaced 15-20 mm apart. Then treat a large spiral around the ankle with points spaced approx 5 mm apart. Treat both the lateral and medial side. Portions should be taken during the treatment is, in the first session use gentle mode because the treatment is rather painful, and the recommended timetable is in first week 3 times, in second week 2 to 3 times, in third week twice. Now the lateral epicondylitis treatment with the help of Reeboks as 3 to 4 rows of points distally with points spaced 2 to 3 cm apart. Then in a spiral around the epicondyle with points 0.5 to 1 cm apart. Check tension of elbow muscles. If in a state of tension, treat in 5 to 10 points along the lines of tension. And the recommended timetable is for acute cases in first week thrice, in second week twice, in third week twice, and in fourth week once. And for chronic cases, the time recommendation is for the first week twice, second week twice, then 4 sessions once a week, then according to the patient need. Now the treatment of lateral ligament damage of knee with the help of Reeboks. Treatment session 3 to 4 rows of points from proximal to distal with the points spaced 2 to 3 cm apart. Then in a spiral around the problem area with the distance of 0.5 to 1 cm. Do not apply Reeboks in the states with acute hyperemia, which is immediately after injury. And the recommended time is for first week twice or thrice, for second week twice, and in third week twice, and in fourth week twice. Now the lumbago treatment with the help of Reeboks. In this 3 rows of points at the distance between 0.2 to 3 cm on either side of the spine from the chest to the sacrum. Then follow plexus lumbric and glutei in 4 or 5 rows of points with 4 to 5 cm between points. Apply treatment in spirals around the centers of the pain as indicated by patient. And the recommended time is in first week thrice to 4 times, in second week thrice, in third week thrice, and in fourth week twice, along with supplementary therapy. Thank you.